beloved friends. I'm Reverend Kyra Baehr, and it would be my delight to invite this week your participation in one or both of our wonderful Easter celebrations. We begin with an Easter sunrise service at 7 a.m. out on the labyrinth. A beautiful beginning where we watch and experience the rising of the sun as we experience the rising of our own divine light. The soul within us that celebrates the awareness of our Christ consciousness. And we celebrate this sacred season of Easter where we roll the stone away and Jesus was found to be alive. And we recognize that the Christ consciousness in us wishes to roll the stones away of our own lives. So we will experience a light breakthrough at the Easter sunrise service at 7 a.m., followed by a pancake breakfast. And at 10:30 a.m., our celebration Sunday service will be held in the sanctuary with our choir, and we'll be acknowledging we rise as. What is it that was the message and demonstration of our way shower, Jesus the Christ, and his acclaiming and experiencing Christ's consciousness that led to this resurrection? And what is that resurrection in our own lives? How do we understand the story of our own lives from a resurrection experience? What do you rise as in this time of your life as you celebrate Easter within yourself? Come and explore and share in this sacred journey with all of us. It truly is a time of celebration. We love to see you come out and participate in this fabulous Easter service. So 7 a.m. for sunrise on the labyrinth. You'll be amazed and delighted at the mystical experience of this early morning service, and certainly of the incredible brilliance of our Sunday celebration at 10:30. And our 10:30 service is followed by an Easter egg hunt. So you don't want to miss that, and definitely bring your kids along. We look forward to seeing you and experiencing the kind of love and celebration that you see in this picture of Jesus holding that lamb that is returned. And we hope to hold and love you and celebrate together. Come join us this Sunday.